Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can connect your JBL Go 2 Bluetooth speaker to your Android phone. So to do this, first let's power up the speaker by pressing the power button. If the speaker hasn't been connected to any device yet, it automatically starts in pairing. However, if you have already connected it to one of your devices, then you have to switch it manually into pairing mode by single pressing the Bluetooth button. As you can see, the indicator LED starts blinking, and from now the speaker is discoverable via Bluetooth. So on your phone, make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, and you can enter into the Bluetooth settings by long pressing the Bluetooth sign. Now the phone starts to scan the available devices, and as you can see, the JBL Go 2 appeared in the list. So let's press it. And as you can see, the phone is connected to the Go 2. After that, if you turn off the speaker, you do not have to repeat the same process again, since as you can see, the Go 2 is under the paired devices. So if I turn on the speaker, it will try to connect automatically into the last connected device, so to my phone. So that's it. If you have a question, feel free to write a comment, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching the Speaker Family.